Searching for the perfect home in Jupiter Farms? Maybe you don't want to be too far back. Well, I have one that is right up close for you guys. Located 2 streets behind the Publix off of Jupiter Farms Road, you're barely in the farms, but you get all the benefits of the farms. Now, this is basically 2.5 acres, but with easements and all of that jazz, we're at 2.14 acres. You have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 2016 roof, and you get the added bonus of being my neighbor. How cool is that? I can't wait to show you the inside of this house, so let's go inside and take a look, shall we?